the tools are nothing but resources that you actually mention to your agent to say, hey, you don't have to do this job alone. There's like bunch of resources that you can actually use to go execute on this task and come back to me. And model preference is the other nice thing. So all of this is actually well defined within an MD file. So the model preference is when you say, oh, like Reddit agent, you're going to be extremely heavy on your capacity. So go use Opus 4.7. Let's say the other agent, I would perhaps wanted to use a slightly lesser model. So it can be a combination of anything that you would want. But ultimately, the beauty of this is that you can actually have an agent run on top of a bunch of skills and actually have this defined well. So this, what you're looking at on the screen is an example of an agent like that, where I gave it a complex task of saying, hey, go actually research a bunch of things and come back to me. It can also be, for example, I can say, oh, like slide deck or web page is one task, but come up with a market plan for that. Come up with a PRD for that. Like as a product builder, I would love to see a bunch of features for the same idea. Or come up with a customer discovery plan that you have, a pricing model plan that you have. The tasks can be endless. And the beauty is that all of these tasks can be executed in parallel when I'm just going to ask my main agent to say, go run this complex task for me. So an agent, once again, to recap, can actually employ one skill or a bunch of skills that it can actually have. And it's a markdown file at the end of the day. Pretty much the entire Claude Code ecosystem runs on markdown files. So like I said, it also has the name and description, the complete understanding of what it has to do, and also the model preference. And in some cases, it also has like tool preference for it to say, go use Reddit, go use the Brave Search API, go use a specific tool or a resource for you to actually come and complete this task.